I love Kate Spade products. This is the Dream Big pendant. Love it. I love the little message, a little reminder to never stop dreaming big. So cute. Polished look, polished sparkle, instantly making any outfit look intentional. 16-inch chain, 3-inch extender, okay? Layering, keeping it minimal. The CZs set in the gold tone brass, a simple clean shine without feeling super flashy. So lightweight and comfortable, dainty, daily wear friendly. The clasp is a lobster clasp. This style is effortless, Kate Spade. Simple stones, clean silhouette, and pairs with literally anything. Love it. Final takeaway. This is a chic, no drama pendant that looks elevated. It is so meaningful. And this one is an easy yes for gift giving or for yourself for everyday use. Highly recommend. This is so cute.